Hello, this is Year 8, Unit 1.3. Find HCF and LCM using prime factors. We have two numbers here, 60 and 75. We are going to look for the HCF, highest common factor, and also the LCM, lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So, highlight the keyword. I'm going to find HCF and the LCM of these two numbers by using product of primes from factor 3. So there are a few methods. So what does it mean by factor 3 and products of prime? Basically, I'm putting 60 as a product, means multiplication between the prime factors in order to get 60. Similarly, it goes for 75. I'm going to find the product multiplication of the prime factors to get 75. So using factor 3, I branch down to the smallest prime factors of 60, starting with 2, possible. I'll get a whole number. Try 2. Can I divide by 2? Not possible, because I cannot get a whole number. So 3, yes. So 5, 3, 15. So these are my prime factors of 60. I fill them into the blank. I'll be getting 2, 2, 3, 5. That is the products of prime. Same goes to 75. Divide by 2, not possible. It's an odd number, so 3. So I get 25 here. 5, 5, 25. So these are my prime factors. Fill them in. This is the products of prime for 75. So in order to find HCF and LCM from here, very simple. There are some rules. To find highest common factor, I'm going to take the smaller frequency of each prime factors. Smaller frequency. Highlight this, smaller frequency of each prime factor that occurs on both numbers and multiply them together. So my HCF would be the multiplication of the smaller frequency of each prime factors that exist on both. Let me show you how. So let's look at first this one. I have 2 as my prime factor for 60, but there is no 2 here, right? So 2, no, not going to choose them. How about 3? Yes, I have a 3 here. And the frequency is only 1, repeating once. So I can take 3 here, and then check again for 5. A 5 here, I have 2 5s there. So I only choose for 1 5 because there's a smaller frequency. So only 5 here. More than enough, 3 times 5, I'll get 15. Another way to show it is I can put this as 2 multiplied twice, multiplied by 3 and 5. Same goes to 75, 3 multiplied by 5, repeating twice. So I'm choosing the prime factor that exists in both 60 and 75. So they are 3, 3. Of course, 5, but I only take 1 of 5 and not 2, only take 1 of them because I'm going to find the smaller frequency. So that's 1 5 here. Okay, done with HCF. Next, let's look at LCM, lowest common multiple. So multiple, that means it's number that bigger than 60 and 75. So the trick here is I'm going to look for LCM. Again, I can take the prime factors, multiply together, but there are some rules here. It means I take the larger frequency of each prime factor and multiply it together. So I don't check whether it exists in 60 or 75. I simply just take all numbers in. So I have 2. There is no 2 here, never mind. So I take 2, the highest frequency, 2 squared, put it in. And then I have 3 here. I have only 1 3, so I put it in. The largest frequency is 3. I have 5, and a 5 squared. Of course, I'm picking this. So 5 squared. Multiply everything together. 5, 5, 25. So I'm getting 12 multiplied by 25. So that is a 300. So 300 is the lowest common multiple among 60 and 75. So I hope that gives you a clearer understanding on this. Thank you for listening.